Hi guys! So for today's video, I'm doing a late review of my birthday getaway staycation. Since my birthday falls in summer, it's been a tradition for us to go on a trip, usually to a beach resort. And this year, we booked a relaxing beachfront property in La Union called Cahel Resort. It's about a 5-hour drive from home, not too close but worth it. So, Cahel offers three types of rooms: seafront, sea view, and garden view. We went to the garden view room. It's the most affordable, located on the ground floor, and it's the closest to the infinity pool and the restaurant. Super convenient. Inside the room, you get the basics: queen-size bed, TV, dresser, mini fridge, and the usual hotel essentials. Taylor loved the infinity pool, and we all enjoyed the food at the restaurant, especially the fraps. Since we were already in La Union, of course, we had to check out a few popular spots. We had dinner at Kabsat and also visited the famous Flotsam and Jetsam. Both are just 7 to 10 minutes away from Cahel. We kept our activities simple. We swam, we ate good food, watch the sunset. Yan ang unang-una kong ginawa pagbaba namin ng mga gamit namin. Sobrang ganda. As in. And umabot ako doon ng gabi dahil lang pinapanood ko yung sunset. And we had a little pictorial session. Syempre, hindi yan mawawala. So, my tip: when you inquire through Cahel's Facebook page, don't forget to ask for their best available rate. We were lucky to book our garden view room on sale. From 7,800 per night published rate, we only paid 6,000 per night. Honestly, that's my biggest flex whenever we go out of town, getting a good deal. Would we recommend Cahel Resort? Absolutely. It's super relaxing. The sand may not be white pero soft siya and perfect for barefoot runs with the fam. The staff, they are very courteous and friendly. The food, masarap. Gourmet na gourmet talaga. And the sunset, sobrang ganda. Ayan o, kitang-kita nyo naman sa video. Orange na orange. Now we know why it's called Cahel Resort. So, ang next naming video for this ay Baguio. Since nasa La Union na kami, we decided na tumuloy ng Baguio. This is actually a La Union Baguio trip. Diba? So, watch out for that. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.